Once you've logged into your Canvas, click on Canvas Commons. Then search for the tutorial by typing in Phoenix College Plagiarism. Select Plagiarism Tutorial. Then you're going to be importing it into your course. You can input it into all of your courses or into a specific course. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Import into Course. You'll notice a message up at the top that says you've successfully started the import. Please note it might take a little bit of time. It usually doesn't take that long. So I'm going to check in a couple minutes. It's been a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go into my courses. And I'm going to pull up all my courses and select the one in which I imported the plagiarism tutorial. It was a module, so I'm going to look under modules. And here are my other modules, and you'll notice there's the plagiarism tutorial, so that's it. The wonderful thing about uploading a module using Canvas Commons is as we update this tutorial, you'll get little messages saying, would you like an updated version? So you don't have to worry about correcting any links that go dead or updating any of the information. The tutorial will always be updated as long as you select, yes, update my tutorial if and when you get that message. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. This is Ann Roselle, your librarian, and I'm at ann.roselle@phoenixcollege.edu.